First, we have to fill it. Sorting garbage truck. Pump. Keep up the good work. Let's remove garbage and fix the drinking fountain. Let's get rid of the machine's rust. Let's paint over the discoloration. Ready. Hooray! First, we need to assemble. Covered truck. Hooray! First, we have to fill it. Covered truck. Press the pump. We did it! Let's plant young trees and flowers. Now we need to wash it clean. Covered truck. Hooray! We need to assemble. Bucket lift. Ready. Filling. Bucket lift. Press the pump. You're doing really great. Let's install feeders for birds and forest animals. We've made a great place for the animals to rest and gain strength.